Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to apply for Lyft driver. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft application and this is how it will look like once you open the app. So firstly, if you don't have your location enabled, you're gonna find this message saying update location services. Lyft needs your exact location to find nearby rides. So you have two options, either turn on precise location or enter a pickup location. Right here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this icon. If you click on it, you're gonna find a lot of options right here. Firstly, you're gonna find your profile in the top. You can click on view profile and then scroll down. And right here, you're gonna find account settings. Here, you're going to find your informations, business profile, family, my riders, and linked account. So if you want to set up a business profile, click on business profile. And then from here, you need to set up your business profile by entering your email, adding a payment method. And if you want, you can add an expense system. If we go back right here, in the bottom, you're going to find Drive with Lyft. If you click on it, from here, you can apply for Lyft driver. You should add your email address and then add your location. For example, I'm going to type Los Angeles and then click Next. Click I agree and follow the steps. And as you can see, guys, right now, you've taken the first step. Driving with Lyft is an easy way to earn money whenever you want. All you need to do, guys, right now is click on install the driver app. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.